Welcome to our video on the top 5 strategies to make money online for beginners. In this video, we will explore some of the best ways for beginners to earn money on the internet. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new online business, these strategies will provide you with valuable insights and tips. Freelancing is a great way for beginners to make money online. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field, there are numerous freelance platforms where you can find clients and offer your services. We will discuss how to get started, find clients, and build a successful freelance career. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative strategy for beginners. It involves promoting products or services of others and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. We will explore the different affiliate networks, strategies for promoting products, and how to maximize your earnings. Online surveys and microtasks can be a simple and easy way for beginners to earn money online. There are various websites that offer paid surveys and microtask opportunities. We will discuss the best platforms, tips for maximizing your earnings, and the potential drawbacks to be aware of. If you have expertise in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable venture. We will guide you through the process of creating and structuring your course, choosing the right platform, marketing it effectively, and generating sustainable income from your courses. Starting your own e-commerce business is an exciting opportunity for beginners. We will discuss the different e-commerce models, how to source products, set up an online store, drive traffic to your store, and optimize your conversions. Selling products online can be a highly profitable venture when done right. So, there you have it, the top 5 strategies to make money online for beginners. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to start your journey towards earning money online. Remember, success in any strategy requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Good luck!